Every question answered. Every step guided. Belentino support. Comprehensive help documentation, live support, and guided tutorials. Ensuring you get the most from every Belentino tool. Our Help Center contains 21 structured pages of documentation, organized into clear categories. The Getting Started guide walks you through account creation, the onboarding flow, and selecting from 5 investor persona types. The platform overview explains all 16 analytical tools and cross-app features like Property Hub and Market Alerts. Account management covers profile settings, sessions, and security. Billing and plans details our 4 subscription tiers: Free, Pro, Business, and Enterprise, including annual discount options. 12 dedicated tool guides cover Quick Scorer, Market Scanner, Offer Engine, Deal Quality Engine, Exit Simulator, Belentino Index, and more. Troubleshooting pages address common issues. Privacy and Data explains our GDPR-compliant data handling. And a comprehensive glossary defines every property investment term used across the platform. Navigation uses a 2-column layout with a sticky sidebar table of contents and breadcrumb trails for effortless browsing. When documentation isn't enough, our support ticket system gives you direct access to our team. Submit tickets across 6 categories: bug reports, feature requests, billing queries, account issues, app-specific help, and general inquiries. Each ticket carries a priority level: low, normal, high, or urgent, ensuring critical issues receive immediate attention. Track your ticket through every status: open, in progress, waiting on user, resolved, and closed. Conversation thread support attachments, so you can share screenshots and files. Response times are SLA tracked, giving you full visibility into resolution timelines. Our intelligent chatbot provides instant answers through 40 conversation nodes across 7 distinct flows. Get immediate help, request a quote, book a callback, or download guides, all without waiting. For structured inquiries, 11 form types cover every need, from contact requests and open house bookings to app-specific queries and guide downloads. Honeypot fields and capture protection ensure genuine inquiries reach our team. Every subscription tier comes with defined service level commitments. Free tier members receive responses within 5 business days. Pro subscribers benefit from 8-hour initial response and 16-hour resolution targets. Business tier guarantees 4-hour response, 8-hour resolution, 99.9% platform uptime, and service credits if we fall short. Enterprise clients receive 2-hour response, 4-hour resolution, 99.95% uptime, and 10% service credits. Every commitment is measured, monitored, and reported. Multiple channels ensure you can always reach us. In-platform support tickets for tracked issue resolution. 24/7 chatbot for instant self-service. Email support@belentino.com. Consultation booking via Calendly for scheduled calls. And community forum for peer-to-peer knowledge sharing. We're here when you need us. belentino.com/help